Hey guys, it's Angel. I got home from work and I tried it on and everything like that. And so basically, you kind of saw my face or whatever when I first put the wig on. If I could say what it felt like initially, what it felt like to me first putting the wig on, I felt like honestly I was putting on a wig from like, you know, the Halloween store at first. And I don't know if it's because it had been sitting in the packaging and stuff like that. But also what confuses me just slightly, you know what, actually before I even say anything, hold on. Let me just fact check here. Okay, so it says that the hair that I ordered, honestly, I believe the hair that I ordered, it said that it was a Brazilian Bodywave. So it did not look like a Bodywave. It was not what I expected coming out of the pack. And as you could see, the ends were kind of like thin to me. And the hair that I ordered, it was, I paid for 180% density. But I don't know if, this is my first time, I believe, of having 180%, but it feels very thin. I feel like, you know, maybe if it were 200, I would have been a little bit more satisfied, or if it were thicker towards the bottom, I would have been more satisfied. So the hair is it's supposed to be a body wave. It's supposed to be 18 inches. I have, the lace color is a medium brown. The cap is small. I will say when I put it on, I have the combs in, which is nice, but I don't think I need to add any extra combs. If I did add those 2 extra combs, I probably would just add them like in the back in this area. Just mainly because, you know, I do plan on, when I wear wigs, it helps my hair grow out so much faster because my hair is so high maintenance. And I notice when I leave my hair alone, it doesn't break as fast, if that makes sense. And it keeps me from purchasing so many products because my hair literally drinks products. So with that being said, I had to wear my hair in a bun every day to work. So I need to have this, by the way, it's a full lace wig. And I have to have this hair in a bun. So as you can see, like this, like little strayaways and stuff like that, it's not bothering me so much. But when I'm driving with the windows down, I notice like it can be slightly annoying, but I feel like that would be with anybody's hair. So in the initial video, there was a few strands that came off the hair. I'll go ahead and do another check. So that came off the hair on that side, and I'm not pulling very hard. I'm just kind of like running, you know, my hand through it. And then I had some strands here. So I'm slightly worried with it being 180. I did pay $297 for this hair exactly. So with it being so thin, I am worried, especially with it shedding. I know hair naturally sheds, but I kind of like, as I was walking, I feel like it looks more natural like at 180, but I'm just so used to big hair. So if I ever, like, I feel like it's a natural looking, you know, wig and whatnot. Also, I wanted to show you guys, it does have dark roots throughout, so that's what the full lace looks like. Everything, I will be able to part this anywhere that I want. Also, with it being a small cap, I cannot braid to my scalp. So what I do is I do have, my hair basically stops here when I have it down. So what I did was, because I can't braid to my scalp and do all these, like, you know, cornrows and stuff like that, I kind of just like split my hair in two, and then I like braid it down on both ends, and then I just kind of like crisscross it in the back, pull it, and bobby pin it on the sides. So for those of you who can't braid your hair down like me, that's another trick to do that, and then put the wig cap on. So yeah, with that being said, if I wanted bigger hair, I would probably put some, or if I wanted thicker hair, I would probably put clip-ins in this hair. But other than that, it's a natural looking wig. I think it tones down for me. At first I thought it's a bit brassy for me, especially because we're coming out of, you know, summertime, stuff like that, and I've had some sun. So I'm thinking about toning it down. I'm not wearing any makeup right now, so I don't know if it'll look better when I put some makeup on, but I feel like it's, you know, like I like the dark roots. I do wish it had some highlights, you know, going like slight highlights, but you know, I might end up doing that myself. So I might tone down the hair because it seems a little bit orange on me. I might put some highlights in it. I will, I want to see the natural pattern on this, so I probably will like update it and stuff like that. So see like how there's this space back here, like I really hate that, but I don't know. I think I can work with this. I'm gonna stand up. I am 5'2", so when I stand, the hair basically hits me here. Kind of like that's how it looks like in the back. So I might trim the ends just to give it a fuller look. But what I want to talk about is the pre-plucked hairline. They weren't joking when they said, honestly, this is the most natural hairline I've had in any wig so far. And yeah, like I'm just gonna, you know, zoom in, you know, don't get all crazy, like, you know, weirded out by my contacts. They're gonna move. But yeah, like the lace, you know, once I put some makeup on, probably put some powder on and stuff like that, and probably like glue down the edges and everything, I feel like this wig definitely sits on my hairline like it should, naturally. So as far as the parting, I just think, you know, like I said, I'm probably gonna have to glue these down, but once everything's glued down, I mean, like, look at the actual like hairline. The hairline I really like. I really think they did like a wonderful job. I am super excited about. So I'm gonna start with the cons. The cons are, I'm not gonna complain about the shedding. I think when you get any type of hair, it is going to shed. Like if I pull on my own hair, it is going to shed. Like nothing seals. Like it's human hair. It's going to break. There's nothing. I honestly believe there's nothing that they can do that is going to keep any hair from shedding. Now over time, do I think, or in general, I think, yeah, I will need to put clip-ins or whatever in the hair. So I mean, honestly, I think the hair will be fine with the hairline that it has. That this will be a really good wig. I think it's very natural looking. Like right now, I think it's the density on it is very natural. Not really gonna complain about the shedding. Do I think it's a real body wave? I'm gonna have to update you guys on it. When I got it out of the pack, heck no, I did not think it was a body wave. I was like, I've been duped. But yeah, no, I didn't think it was a body wave at all, so I'm questioning that. Also, I've had Indian hair before. This is supposed to be Brazilian hair. I know Brazilian hair can hold a curl a lot longer than Indian hair. So I put some curls in it before class. The curls still, for the most part, pretty much stayed. Other than me kind of like running my fingers through it and like combing it and stuff like that. But with my windows down, going to class, with me walking to class, I think that the curl still, you know, still has like a natural curl. I say the pros, the biggest pro for me with this wig is the hairline. I love the hairline. It's very natural, especially when I take the time to actually, you know, glue it down or tape it down, whatever. The density is natural. I love how it came with a, what is it called? Let me just grab it. I like how it came with this. So it came with a strap and it came with 2 extra combs if I want. So I like how you're given the option of a strap instead of them kind of like putting a strap in there. Because in all honesty, I don't know what I would do with the strap, especially because the small head cap fits me so well. And it looks very natural. So yeah, like the more I talk about it, the more I'm loving this wig. Would I recommend buying it? Yes. If I could give the company any like recommendations or like any suggestions, I mean, I would say I love all the goodies that you put. I really appreciate it. I would say I wish there was a 200 density option. Basically having the ends a little thicker. Other than that, I think it's a perfect wig. I think it's a perfect starter wig or like even a summer wig. I'm saying that now initially. I hold on to my wigs for a very long time. So I could be doing an update a year from now, letting you know, showing you if the hair really thinned out, how it held up, like what is the natural curl pattern of it. Does it really, I'm going to put it through the works. I'm going to put curling wands in it, everything. This is supposed to be the Bodywave. It is 18 inches. The cap lace is a color in medium, and it's also a small cap. So yeah, this also is the, I believe it's a 1B/30, so this color is 30. But yeah, I'm gonna really put it through the work, and because I'm a busy person, I'm a busy bee, and this is so I can put my hair away and let it grow out. So it's my other hair. So yeah, like I'll keep you guys updated. Sorry this is such a long video, but I did want you guys to know everything about this. And of course, this company again is Perfect Lace Wigs. So I hope you guys have a great day, and keep you updated. Just I guess like, comment, subscribe, and help support my channel, my new growing channel. All right, thank you so much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.